In recent years, potential home buyers across the globe have been met with an increasingly challenging housing market. Many are left asking the question, why is buying a house so hard now? The answer to this question is multifaceted, encompassing a mixture of economic, political, and social factors. Supply and demand imbalance. At the heart of the problem is the simple economics of supply and demand. In many metropolitan areas, there's a shortage of housing inventory. This shortage can be attributed to several reasons. Limited land for new developments, especially in urban areas, the availability of land for new housing projects is limited. Restrictive zoning laws. Local regulations can limit the type, size, and density of new housing, preventing the construction of more affordable homes. Increased cost of construction. Rising labor and material costs make building new homes more expensive, discouraging new projects. Economic factors. Several economic trends have converged to create a challenging environment for prospective homeowners. Low interest rates. Historically, low interest rates have made mortgages more affordable, which in turn has increased demand for homes. While this is great for those who can secure a mortgage, it can also drive up home prices. Stagnant wage growth. While housing costs have skyrocketed, wages haven't kept pace. This disparity makes homes less affordable for many. Investor purchases. With the increasing popularity of real estate as an investment, large corporations and foreign investors have entered the market in droves, often outbidding individual home buyers. Social and demographic shifts. Changing social and demographic patterns also play a significant role. Urbanization. More people are moving to cities in search of better job opportunities and amenities. This influx has led to increased competition for urban housing. Multi-generational living. Economic pressures have led to more families opting for multi-generational households, decreasing the turnover of homes on the market. Delayed life events. Younger generations are delaying major life milestones like marriage and childbearing, which traditionally precede home ownership. When they do decide to buy, they're entering a market with limited inventory and high prices. The after-effects of past crises. The 2008 financial crisis had lasting effects on the housing market, tightened credit standards. After the housing bubble burst, banks became more stringent with their lending criteria, making it harder for individuals, especially first-time buyers, to secure a mortgage. Lost homes. Foreclosures during the crisis took homes away from many, pushing them into the rental market and increasing demand for rental properties. Cautious builders. The crash left many builders wary of overextending themselves, leading to reduced construction of new homes. The rise of technology and remote work. The recent surge in remote work due to technological advancements and the COVID-19 pandemic has had unexpected consequences. Decentralization of the workforce. With the ability to work from anywhere, individuals are looking to move away from high-cost city centers. This has spiked demand in suburban and rural areas, which were previously less competitive. Virtual real estate platforms like Zillow and Redfin, have made it easier for people to search for and buy homes, increasing competition. Globalization of real estate is no longer a local game. Foreign investment. Wealthy individuals and corporations from other countries are buying properties in sought-after locations, pushing prices up. Global urbanization trends. Just as people are flocking to cities in developed countries, there's a similar trend worldwide, making urban housing a global commodity with associated price pressures. Potential solutions and the road ahead. While the current housing market presents challenges, there are potential solutions. Government interventions. Governments can re-evaluate zoning laws, provide incentives for new home construction, and implement policies that make housing more accessible and affordable. Innovative housing solutions. From co-housing and tiny homes to prefabricated housing, innovative solutions can offer alternatives to traditional home ownership. Financial literacy, empowering individuals with the knowledge to navigate the complex housing market, can ensure more people can realize their dream of home ownership. The difficulty of buying a house today is the result of a confluence of factors ranging from economic to social. While it's a challenging landscape, with concerted efforts from both public and private sectors, it's possible to create a more inclusive and accessible housing market for all. Cultural shifts towards home ownership. Our cultural perspective on home ownership has evolved over the decades. There was a time when owning a house was seen as the ultimate symbol of stability and success. This cultural value, deeply embedded in society,